Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction one digit. The lessons we're going to cover today are write subtraction sentences to describe pictures up to 18. Subtract 0 slash all. Complete the subtraction sentence up to 18. The subtraction sentence up to 18. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So you need to count all the lamps. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? And then you have to count the one that are crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are crossed out, so that is 15, take away 6. And then you have to count the ones that are not crossed. So that is 15, take away 6 is 9. The correct option is 15, take away 6 is 9. Let's just start with the test questions. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So let's just calculate all the bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 14, the total bottles are 14. 5 of them are crossed out, so 14 take away 5 is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 14 take away 5 is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So, which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? Option number one? No, one, two, three, four, five, six of them are crossed out, right? Option number two is the correct option. That is 15. Take away 6 equals 9. Option number two is the correct option. Okay, let's just move on to next one. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So, which is the correct option? That is 11 take away 3 equals 8. Option number one is the correct option. Option number one is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 13 take away 6 equals 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 2. 12 take away 5 equals 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. Sorry. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is Option number 1, 14 take away 8 equals 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is subtract 0 or all. So subtract 5 take away 5. Five take away 5. Subtracting the number from itself always makes a 0. So whatever number it is, if you are subtracting a 0, that means the correct option is 0. That means subtract all. Subtracting itself means subtract all. Okay, 8 take away 8. So which is the correct option? Eight take away 8 is 0. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. 4 take away 4, which is the correct option? That is 4 take away 4 is 0. 2 take away 0 is 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 6 take away 0. So whenever you subtract 0 from any number, whatever number it is, the number stays the same. So 6 take away 0 is 6. The correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is 10 take away 10. Ten take away 10. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. 7 take away 0. So subtracting 0 from any number, the number stays the That is 7. 7 take away 0 is 7. 1 take away 1 is 0. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is complete the subtraction sentences up to 18. Fill in the missing number. So the missing number minus 1 equals 17. The missing number minus 1 equals 17. So how do we find the missing number? 1 is subtracting, right? So just go, you have to undo the operations. Negative 1 plus 1. Add 1 both sides. So 1 minus 1 is 0. You are left with just the missed question mark, and 17 plus 1 makes 18. The correct option is 18. Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing number. So the basic thing you need to learn here is you always subtract a greater number. You always subtract a smaller number out of the greater one when subtracting. So here you are given the greater number. That means the missing number must be smaller, right? So when you are missing the smaller number, you have to subtract the given number and the difference. The given number is 17. The difference is 9. So 17 take away 9 is 8. That means the missing number is 8. That is the case when the smaller number is missing. The smaller number is missing. You have to subtract the sum. You have to subtract the given number and the difference. So the correct option is 8. 17 take away 9 is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. So now you can see the greater number is missing, right? Because you always subtract a smaller number out of the greater one. So the greater number is missing in the case, right? So you have to undo the operation, that is negative 4. Add 4 both sides because you have to remove 4 from here, right? So 4 minus 4 is 0, and 14 minus 14 plus 4, you have to add 4 both sides. The correct option is 18. The correct option is 18. Option number 2 is the correct option. Let's just look at the next one. Fill in the missing number. So what number take away 2 equals 9? 11 take away 2 is 9. That is 11. Fill in the missing number. 15 take away missing number equals 7. So which number is missing? That is 15 take away 8 equals 7. The missing number is 8. Fill in the missing number, which is the correct option. Twelve minus 5 is 7, so the missing number is 12. Fill in the missing number. 16 minus missing number is 14, so which is the correct option? 16 minus missing number is 14. The correct option is 16 minus 2 equals 14. Very good. The correct option is 2. Fourteen take away 6 is 8. The correct option is 6. Fill in the missing number. The correct option is 16 minus 6 equals 10. So the missing number is 16. Fill in the missing number. That is 12 minus 7 is 5. Eighteen minus missing number equals 16. That is 18 minus 2 equals 16. The missing number is 2. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is the subtraction sentences up to 18. Let's just start with the test questions. Mr. Benson opened a new box of colored pencils and 6 fell on the floor. The box says there are a total of 10 colored pencils inside. How many of the colored pencils stay in the box? So you are given the total box. The total pencils in the box were 10, right? And 6 of them were fell down. You need to calculate how many pencils still in the box. So 10 total pencils, 6 the fell down, and you are left with 4. The correct option is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 4. Lisa's dog Fluffy used to weigh 6 kilograms. Now he weighs 11 kilograms. How much weight did Fluffy gain? Which is the correct option? That is 11 take away 6 is 5. That means he gained 5 kgs. The correct option is 5. 7 of the kids in my sister's class got a haircut over the summer. Here are the total of 12 kids in her class. How many of them did not get a haircut over the summer? So, which is the correct option? That is 12 take away 7. The correct option is 5. Booni has a total of 15 letters. She has opened 6 of them so far. How many letters does Booni has left to open? So the total letters she has is 15. She opened 6 of them. So 15 take away 6 equals 11. 15 take away 6 is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. A mama bear and her cub caught a total of 18 fish. Her cub caught 3 fish. How many fish did the mama bear catch? So, which is the correct option? That is, the total fish is 18. 18 minus 3 is 15. So the correct option is that means Mama Bear catch 15 fish. The correct option is 15. Ezra is working on some math homework that is due tomorrow. Yesterday, he completed two problems. There are 14 problems in together, altogether. How many problems does Ezra have left to finish today? So the total problems were 18. That is 14 take away 2 is 12. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction one digit, and the lessons we have covered today are write subtraction sentence based on the describe picture, subtract 0 and all. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box for which you need help. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have any. Any questions you can please ask. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.